Wow, this wig is so soft. I am loving it, you guys.
Baby boy.
Hello, my name is Sequoia. I'm the creator and founder of SilkyChick, a luxury hair care company, and I'm here today to do another review on another wig from the TruWig brand, and this one is NBS-iJenny. You guys, do you see this? Do you see this? Girl, this wig is super cute. I am loving it. I reviewed a wig last week and you guys are really loving that unit, and this unit is beautiful as well. Again, I attended a conference called the Wig Slayers event out in Arizona, and Waba Hair and Beauty Supply was there and they were giving out free wigs, and this is another wig that I got. And you guys, okay, TruWig, I see y'all. These wigs are beautiful. So if you'd like to get all the tea on this one, all the pros and cons, watch me style and unbox it, then please stay tuned. Just do me a favor, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. This helps me out with the algorithm, letting it know that, hey, your girl has some good products, because you know how it is in these internet streets with these algorithms. If you guys ain't interacting with it, they be acting like they don't want to share it. And we want everybody to know about iJenny, because iJenny is an easy install and super cute. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, wig styling, the pros and the cons of this unit.
Baby boy. Baby boy. Baby boy.
Certified quality. That the girl them need and I cry for every day without apology. Put them the right way, that's my policy. Shonda Paul alongside Beyonce. How you the man say? This a dirty, yeah. Big dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Beyonce, sing it now, yeah.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time, I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time, I see you in my dreams. Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love, let me go. Let me breathe, stay on my fantasy.
Alright, you guys, so I am back from styling TruWig iJenny, so let's go ahead and get into it. You guys, I am loving this wig. She is super cute, very easy to install. Now I'm guessing on the length she's probably falling about 12 inches. The density on this wig is light. Even though there is not a lot of hair on the wig, it definitely gives a very nice, natural and full length. It doesn't look, you know, like there's hardly any hair on the wig at all. Now I am rocking Jenny in 1B, but Jenny does come in some other colors: F1B 30, F427, a 99J, some 30s, some blondes, a rich ginger. So if you want to try her in other colors like she is on the stock card with the darker roots, very pretty, you definitely have options when it comes to trying iJenny. Now this wig is giving human hair vibes. Although the texture is a little bit more silky, it does have some yuckiness to it, so it's really light on the yucky, but it's not so silky that if you don't like silky wigs you won't like it. And actually I was talking to my mom with this wig and she actually thought that this was a human hair wig. She did not realize that it was a synthetic wig. So it is giving human hair vibes. So if you're looking for a synthetic wig that is leaning more to the human hair side, baby girl, this might be it for you. Now I love how it's styled in this body wave style. I didn't want to put too much heat, although I did put heat in the wig. I didn't want to put too much heat in there because I didn't want to straighten it. I did want it to keep those waves. So I think those waves are really cute and very effortless. Now as far as the cap goes, it is your typical cap. It has the combs in the front with that eye part going down the center. It's very deep, as you can see, and then when you turn the cap around the back, it has that typical comb in the back with your adjustable straps. There is plenty of room in this cap, so if you have a bigger head or thicker hair, you should be able to fit everything under the wig nicely. So let's go ahead and get into iJenny's features. So it says it has Swiss transparent lace. That's HD, but the lace did have a little bit of a brown tint to me. Now if you are of a darker complexion, you probably will have to tint the lace, and you don't really have to do a lot of tinting because this wig has bangs, right? So there's really no lace to see, but the part here, this deep eye part, you will need to go ahead and put something in that part to make it of a darker complexion. But really that was it. It had ear-to-ear lace, and I do agree with that. Now it was saying that the hairline is pre-plucked. I don't agree with that. I didn't see where the hairline was pre-plucked, and I also don't think that's really necessary. Unless you're gonna pull this wig back, the bangs, the way the bangs are wispy and fall to the front, you really don't see the hairline to begin with. So I really don't know why they wanted to have that feature on here. As I said earlier, this wig does take heat up to 400 degrees, and as you've seen, I put some heat in the top to just go ahead and flatten it out and straighten it. Now as far as the installation, it was super easy, a little mousse in here. The only issue that I really had with installing is these bangs come kind of long, and so there was a lot of wispy. So girl, if you're gonna wear your lip gloss, just know she is going to be sticking. Also, you know, with lashes, if you wear like super long lashes, the bangs and the little wispies might get caught in there. So I really had to take my time and cut some of those extra hairs. But I like how the bangs fall kind of long and how you can push them to the side or wear them like on the stock card where it is straight across. Is also a very nice look. And really that is it for Jenny. So let's go ahead and get into Jenny's pros and cons. For the pros, this is an easy throw on and go. You know, over here at SilkyChicks, if you watch me, I love an easy throw on and go. She did not take a lot of time. Once I just went in and cut the lace off, I put a little heat in the top to help make sure that she was flat, rubbed a little mousse in her, put some of my Fit Me powder in that center part, and really that was it. The biggest thing as far as styling went was cutting those wispies, but I love that. I love that she is giving a human hair vibe because it makes the wig look to me a little bit more expensive, and we like that in a synthetic wig. As for the cons, just the bangs being kind of long. You may have to cut them depending on what kind of lashes you wear, how tall you are. The bangs, you may need to go in and trim them a little bit, but really that was it. That was the only issue. I think this is a beautiful wig. She definitely comes in some other colors, so you should definitely check this wig out and be on the lookout, because with spring season coming soon, this style is very much on trend for that season. And so if you want to get ahead of the trends and be in, honey, this wig you might want to add to your collection. And of course, when I take this wig off, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic that it came out of. I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky sack. A Silky sack is a silk lining bag that I invented to not only store your wigs in, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that the wig would do if you were to place it back into the plastic bag that it came out of. So if you want to check out Silky sacks and some of our other fabulous products, the link to our website is going to be down in the description box. And now it is time for our Silky Chick shout out. And the shout out is going to T to the Hey. Thank you so much for watching the videos, for taking the time to leave comments. I appreciate you more than you ever know. And if you would like to get a shout out for being a Silky Chick, check out, I'm rocking the merch, you guys. We do have merch, so links of course are always down in the description box. But if you would like to get a shout out, then please leave me a comment, whether you're watching here on YouTube or over on Facebook. Hey my Silky Chicks, you know I love you guys over on Facebook too. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos, to listen to what I have to say about each and every wig. We are here to help you, so please let me know any comments, what you're thinking about the wigs. I love having these conversations with you guys. Thank you so much. As always, remember, better care is better wear, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.